The 10th song on the album is called Bona. This song just speaks about how we need to be careful about the people we keep around us, to allow people to show us who they are. A lot of times we let people come into our lives based on, surface level things. They speak the right way, they walk the right way, they say all the right things, and we feel like they are our friend. Whereas they could be somebody who doesn't even like you. They just want to be around you to enjoy your energy, or to even just see what you're up to, so they can make sure that you're not getting too successful or too ahead of yourself. So it's a song to say, watch who you keep around you, and put people through the test. Don't allow a person's words and a person's niceness and a person's looks even to convince you that they're good for you. Something can look good on the outside and still be bad for you.